We literally have bulletins coming in by the minute. I'm going to give you some new information on that in a second. Severe storms possible in North Mississippi. I'll just give it to you now. A tornado watch has been issued for Lafayette County until midnight. Just one county in our area, but still, that's a big deal. Flooding, a threat for the entire area, and an ice storm may be coming tomorrow for northeast Arkansas. Right now, it looks like extreme northeast Arkansas. Here is the tornado watch in yellow. Most of that east and south of us, except for you, Oxford. And I would say really the threat is over the next probably, I would say 1 to 2 or 3 hours. And then the threat will shift further south and east. So a lot going on. In fact, so much going on. You don't see this very often, if ever, in the Mid-South. So many advisories, and literally one season to the next. And right now in the Memphis metropolitan area, some rain around Germantown and Carterville. But by far the heaviest activity is in North Mississippi. And specifically, this is the area where we are concerned about still tornado development. But right now, we don't see that happening. But it is still a chance. It's still a possibility. We also have to address an ice storm situation too. But there in yellow, that's the area that has the most likely chance of seeing a tornado. I'll be glad when we can get rid of this threat and focus on the next system. Also, flooding is a threat. There is a flood watch in effect for all the counties in green, and even a flood warning just to the north of our coverage area. So you can see we've got it all going on. Tornado watch in our area and a winter storm warning that goes into effect at noon tomorrow for the counties in pink. Rarely do you see these two warnings and watches on a map like this at the same time. But that's what we're dealing with. That's how crazy our weather has been, actually going all the way back to December 10th of last year, which we had the horrible tornadoes. 10 o'clock tonight, looks like the worst of the threat for severe weather will be south of Lafayette County, and it looks like the flooding threat will ease up a bit. Then we'll focus our attention tomorrow to the potential of ice. Now, this time around, it's mainly for our northeast Arkansas counties. Specifically Poinsett and Mississippi County. That is where the worst of it's going to be. But if you're driving north and west of that, like Danielle said earlier in the broadcast, not a good idea. Notice above freezing in Memphis. This is 10 o'clock Wednesday night, remaining above freezing. That's why the ice storm should stay north of the greater Memphis metropolitan area. But folks, it's not going to be nice weather, a cold rain and a significant ice storm. The good news is by Thursday afternoon, Jonesboro, you guys may punch up just above freezing, and that would certainly help out with the ice situation. 7-day outlook, here we go. More rain tomorrow and ice north on Wednesday night to Thursday. Friday, rain in the morning. The weekend, still another chance of rain Saturday and Sunday. We're back after this short break.